Next, I want to talk about the show, don't tell principle. You can take an example from the ad that I showed you before, where instead of talking about how great our product is, we just show the result out of it, and then that got us a lot better effect. So first of all, what the show don't tell principle does, instead of telling and explaining what your product does, if you can show the result of it, that's really great. Again, you can take Apple and their ad, for example, with the iPod. If you don't know that one, just search for Apple silhouette ad and you will find it. It's just a bunch of people dancing with white headphones, and you know that they have iPods. And so what this does for you is, first of all, you can't say something wrong. This is very underestimated with the show don't tell principle. A lot of the time when we try to present our products and services, we overdo it and we kind of mess it up, and that's why people don't like us. And we try to oversell, overpush, overpressure, and so on. So with that principle, you can't do that. It's very hard for you when you're just showing the result and not talking about it. It works like a charm. Another one is that you also, just by showing it, some people who don't know it and see it for the first time, they can become a lot curious and wonder, hey, what's that? You know, it looks really cool. And of course, an image says 1,000 words, and you can imagine then what a video does. That would be 1,000 words times 24 frames per second or more, and you know what I mean. So if you can also use video for that, that's a great thing. Another thing that it does is instead of just sparking interest with your copy in the beginning, it also entices desire because people can see the result immediately. And just the fact that something is visual can help you keep it in the customer's mind for longer. We all know that when something is out of sight, it's out of mind. And so that's why we can also use it in our remarketing campaigns to just remind people of all the great results our customers are having with our product and service. And that is sometimes more than enough to keep them top of mind and to keep them as our customers. It helps us increase retention. It helps us keep our brand on top of their mind, or on the top of their mind. And it kind of gets people to take action on their own, because once they see the result, they want it. And even if it's hard to get it, they will struggle through it and manage a way to get it. For example, if your website is really bad and it's very hard for people to find the buy button and then to check out, especially if they have to do it on a phone, they can sometimes even call you and tell you, hey, your website is broken, but I really want that product. Can I please have it? Can you please take my money? And that's kind of a result that you can get by using this principle. It helps you get self-provoked action without you even having to have a call to action, just because people really want the result so bad. So that's it for the show don't tell principle, and moving on.